Hey, you're not able to find your hard disk while installing Windows 10 or 11? Let us fix in 5 minutes. Let us see the error first. For this, we are going to boot our system with the Windows 10 or 11 bootable pen drive. Press F12 in the keyboard so that you can get the boot manager, and from there you can select the pen drive to boot it from the booted software. Let's wait for the startup screen. Here we go. Now click next, install now. Accept the agreement, license agreement, choose custom. Here it is. You are not able to see the partition or disk drive, and for this we can check the another way. For this, press shift and F10 and type command disk part, list disk. Here it is. You can see the only pen drive is showing here. Let's wait and restart it from here so that we can apply the settings which will allow the disk drive to install Windows OS on that particular disk. Let us exit from here so that we can boot it again and change the setting in the BIOS. For this we have to close all these, and here it is. We are into BIOS. For this we are going to press F2 while booting our system, and that will land us into the BIOS options. For from here you have to go to main, and here you can see one option is hidden here, which we will get after pressing Ctrl S. And after pressing Ctrl S we are able to see VMD controller, and we need to disable it so that and save it. Let's boot our system in with the pen drive, and for that we are going to press F12 so that we can get the boot manager, and from there we will select the pen drive. Here it is. Now we are booting it with the pen drive, and let us wait for some time so that we can start the installation again to check whether the disk drive is showing there or not. It will take some time while booting, and here you have to click next and install now and accept the license agreement, which is the default screen. After that we will be choosing custom so that we can check the disk drive is present or not. Here it is. Earlier these disk drive are not showing. Now we are able to see the disk drive, and we can start the installation now. It's depend upon the hard disk. Wherever you want to install, you can install the selected partition. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks.